Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Saurabh's class. We are solving the statistics previous year questions. So, this question is telling us that let xy be the random vector of the joint moment generating function mxy of t1 t2. So, that is equals to my 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 e to the power t1 whole square plus my 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 e to the power t2 whole cube, and our t1 t2 is belonging to r square. Okay, so then my p of x plus 2y greater than 1 is equals to, okay, so there are four options. So we have to do we have tasked the to solve the problem. So we analyze the joint moment generating function and compute the probability of this. Okay, so understanding the joint moment generating function first. So the given MGF is, my given joint MGF is mxy, that is equals to my 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 to the power. Yeah. So my, where my T1 and T2 is belonging to R square. Okay. So the given joint MGF is this. So this can be interpreted as follows. My x and y are independent because the moment generating function is factored into the terms involving t1 and t2 separately. For x, my this thing, which is this part, x is the sum of two independent Bernoulli random variables with probabilities p of xi equals to 1 equals to my 1 by 4, and my p of xi equals to 0, that is equals to my 3 by 4. Hence x follows a binomial distribution. So our, we can write that our x is this binomial, and that will be 2 into 2 comma 1 by 4. Yeah. So now we have to see the things for my y. So my 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into, that is my e to the power t2 whole cube. So we have to only think for this. So my y is the sum of the three independent Bernoulli random variables, so with the probabilities like my p of yi equals to 1, so that is equals to my 1 by 6, and my p of y1 equals to 0, that is equals to my 5 by 6. Hence y follows a binomial distribution, so our y is equals to what? Sorry, the y can be approximated by this thing, binomial, because this is my 3 and y I equals to 1 is my 6, 1 by 6, so that is this. So now we have to think about the distribution of x plus 2y. So we are tasked with finding my probability of, yeah, since my x is approximated by binomial 2 comma 1 by 4 and y is approximated by binomial 3 comma 1 by 6, we can derive their probabilities in this. So probability mass function, the PMF of x is what? P of x equals to k, that is equals to my 2ck into 1 by 4 to the power k into my 3 by 4 to the power 2 minus k, where our k is what? That is equals to 0, 1 and 2. So we have to think about the values. So our P of x equals to 0 is what? That is my 2c0 into that is 1 by 4 to the power 0, and that will be my 3 by 4 to the power 2. So that will be equals to 9 by 16, because this is 1 and this will be 1. So this is 9 by 16. And my P of x equals to 1 will be what? That is my 2c1 into 1 by 4 to the power 1 into 3 by 4 to the power 1. So that will be my 2 into 3 will be upside, and my this will be 16. So 6 by 16. So that is 3 by 8. So our P of x equals to 2 will be what? So that is my 2c2, and we will get 1 by 4 square here, and that will be my 3 by 4 to the power 0. So this is 1 by 16. Okay. So now we have to calculate the PMF of y. Okay. So this is my PMF of y. So that will be what? My P of y equals to k will be equals to 3ck into my 1 by 6 to the power k into my 5 by 6 to the power 3 minus k. So our k is what here? K is my 0, 1 and 3. Oh, 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So now we have to calculate the values. So my P of y equals to 0 will be 3c0, and there will be 1 by 6 into my 5 by 6. Yeah. So our P of 1 y equals to 1 will be what? 3c1, and that will be my 1 by 6 to the power 1. And so we have to calculate all the things in this manner. So we will get this. And after that, my y equals to 3 will be 3c3 into 1 by 6 to the power, sorry, that will be 3. Yeah. And that will be my 5 by 6 to the power 0. So this is what? So this is 3 by my 6 cube. Yeah, so this, sorry, 3c0 is my 1. So 5 cube is my 125. So by this, that will be 216. So after that, that will be my 3 will be upside, and their numerator will be my 3, and we can get 25 from here. So we will have 75 by 216. So that is divisible by 3. And so we can cancel out the numerator and denominator by 3. So we will get 25 by 72. After that, we will get what? 3c2 will be 3, and there is 6 cube in the below, and there is my 5. So we have 15 up in the numerator, and the denominator is 216. So by dividing 3 in the both sides, so we will get 5 by 72, and 3c3 is my 1. So that is 1 by 216. Okay, so now we have to compute the probability of this thing. So we have to calculate now this thing. Yeah, that is greater than. So we sum the probabilities where my x plus 2y is greater than 1. So the possible values are, for y equals to 0, we will get my x plus 2y is equals to x. So the probability of x plus 2y greater than 1 is equals to my P of x equals to 2. So which is equals to what? Which is equals to 1 by 16. Because, yeah, my P of x equals to 2 is this. So after that, now for y equals to 1, my x plus 2y is equals to my x plus 2, because this is 2y, so that is 2. So my p of x plus 2y greater than 1 will be what? That is my p of x equals to 0 comma y equals to 0 plus, that will be p of x equals to 1 comma y equals to 1 plus p of x equals to 2 comma y equals to 2. So repeat similarly by our y equals to 2 and the y equals to 3 cases, we can get some results. So final conclusion will be what? So using the PMFs above, so summing all the probabilities of all cases where our x plus 2y greater than 1, we can easily see that. So that will be 1581 by 4 ISS. So I think this is my first option. So our correct option of this question is my option A. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.